Hello, this is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2011 X5 all-wheel drive. It's a 3.5. That is the inline six-cylinder, and it's the updated engine, which has over 300 horsepower. It's turbocharged, and it's direct injected, so more power and better efficiency. The color is Vermillion Red Metallic with black and leather interior. The 2011 has updated styling, the front end and the rear, side mirrors, wheels, and some changes on the inside. The body's in beautiful condition, fully detailed. Beautiful color combination. On the inside, we have power leather seats. They are heated and has a sport steering wheel, which is also heated. These are electrical adjustment, up and down and in and out. And the seat memory will remember where you set the steering wheel. Real nice fine wood grain throughout the interior. The leather is in amazing condition. Here's a look at the navigation screen. The automatic climate control. This has a panorama roof. That's a power shade. And then naturally the sunroof will open as well. There we go. It opens all the way back. Here's a look at the backup camera. We're back on the outside here. Dual exhaust. Has parking sensors front and rear, as well as the backup camera. Power tailgate. And the rear seats will fold down flat, and it has a pass-through there. This one has spare tire. A lot of SUVs don't have spare tires anymore. Just push the button to close it. Here's the power seat on this side. And as I mentioned, it has a full automatic climate control with adjustable temperatures for the passenger and driver's side. Stability control, has rain sensing wipers, premium hi-fi sound system, has adaptive Xenon headlights with washers. Lots of great features and a great looking SUV. Thank you for your time. Give us a call, and we'd love to set up a time to show you this vehicle.